Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how to turn on dark mode on YouTube. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. So to turn on dark mode on YouTube, it's actually pretty easy. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your YouTube. And after you opened your YouTube, what I want you to do next is to tap your profile at the bottom right corner. And then after that, you can now go to settings. And once you're on settings, next, go to general. And after that, you will now see the appearance option, just go and tap it. And finally, for the last step, just select the dark mode option to completely turn your YouTube into dark mode. Then after that, it's done. Congratulations, your YouTube will now be turned into dark mode. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.